Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another series of Java tutorial. So in this class we are going to see all about JVM, JRE and JDK. Okay, so first we will discuss about JVM. Okay, so JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, and then we will discuss about JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment. Then we will discuss about JDK, okay, that is Java Development Kit. Okay, so one by one we are going to discuss. Okay, fine. So what is JVM? Okay, so what is JVM and why it is required in Java? So JVM is an abstract machine. Remember this one, it is an abstract machine. It is a specification that provides runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. So one point to be remembered, that Java bytecode to be executed by JVM. Okay, so JVM allows to execute Java bytecode. Okay, so how it allows to execute Java bytecode? It is having three notations. By that, it allows to execute Java bytecodes. What are the notations it is having? First one is all about specification. Okay, second one is all about implementation, and third one is about runtime instance. Okay, so about specification, it is a document that describes the implementation of the Java virtual machine. Okay, it is provided by Sun and other computers also. Fine. So it is provided by Sun Microsystem and other companies also. So this is the specification where all the documents are there. How JVM works. Okay. Then about implementation part, it is a program that meets the requirement of JVM specification. About runtime instance part, an instance of JVM is created whenever you write a Java command on the command prompt and run the class. Okay. So these are the three notations of JVM: specification, implementation, and runtime instance. Okay. So what does JVM do? Java Virtual Machine converts machine code to bytecode. This is a simple thing. Okay. So just remember that JVM, Java Virtual Machine, converts machine code to bytecode. Okay. Because see, I already explained in demo class that we know the computer knows the machine code. Okay, so but Java works in bytecode. Okay, so who convert this machine code to bytecode? JVM converts. Okay, JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, converts machine code to bytecode here. Fine. So next we will move to JRE. What is JRE? What is JRE? JRE is all about Java Runtime Environment. Okay, so there is an environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. Okay, and where this where this machine code to converted to bytecode, there is an environment. Okay, JRE. So I can say like this. That is, there is an environment. Okay. Okay, fine. So this environment is known as JRE, Java Runtime Environment, under which your JVM works. Okay, under which your JVM works. Fine. So JRE implements the JVM and provides all the class, libraries and other support files that JVM uses at runtime. Fine. So I can say JRE is a software package that contains what is required to run a Java program. This is a simple thing. That is, JRE is a software package. I can say JRE is a software package that contains what is required to run a Java program. Okay, fine. So JRE is the environment under which your JVM works. Okay. Then next is all about JDK. What is JDK? Java Development Kit. So why JDK is required? To compile your code. Okay, so JDK is a tool to compile, document and package Java programs. So JDK completely includes JRE, which contains tools for Java programmers. So this JDK is provided free of charge. Okay, along with JRE, it includes an interpreter, compiler, that is your Java-C, and an archiver, that is your jar file, a documentation generator, that is your Java doc, and other tools needed in Java development. Okay, it contains JRE plus development tools. Okay, so it contains JRE plus development tools. So I can say like this: there is an environment called JRE under which JVM works, and this environment comes under your Java development kit, that is JDK. Okay, so there is JDK under which JRE is there. Okay, that is Java runtime environment. In a Java runtime environment, JVM works. So it is a complete tool, complete Java tool. Okay, which includes jar files, Java doc files, that is Java-C. Okay, and it is having one interpreter also. Okay, and all Java doc file also. See, these all things comes under your Java development kit. Fine. This is all about JVM, JRE and JDK. Okay. So, what is the main task of JVM? What is the main task of JVM? I already told you that it loads code, it verifies code, it executes code, and it provides runtime environment. Fine. So this is the main task of JVM. Okay. And what is the main task of JRE? That is, it provides a runtime environment to execute your Java virtual machine. And what is the main task of JDK? JDK is your complete tool which is physically exits, and it contains JRE plus development tools. Fine. So this is all about JVM, JRE and JDK. If you have any queries, then please comment below so that I will explain you better. And also you can drop your mail to this mail ID, that is drop your mail to rashmi@gmail.com. Okay, Java. I am going to solve all your queries regarding Java and other computer courses. That's all for today's class. Thank you.